My name is Mr. S.A. Chetty. I am the Superintendent of Education for the Billy Nair Circuit in the Pinetown District of the KwaZulu-Natal Department of Education. My responsibility is to supervise and manage approximately 38 schools in the Billy Nair Circuit, and part of managing and supervising these schools requires me to put together programs to assist the learners, particularly in the secondary schools, and of course the accelerated learning program has certainly been a panacea to some of the challenges that learners are currently facing. At schools currently, learners are exposed to content material, but very rarely are they given opportunities to identify ways in which they could learn and ways in which they could imbibe this information. The Accelerated Learning Program has provided a platform for them to acquire these skills, and we've had tremendous reports from learners from the various schools in terms of how they've improved their results as a result of the Accelerated Learning Program.
Fantastic.